Today, date is 7th of Feb 2022. In time is 02 double pin 51 a.m. Now I'm talking to a very strange kind of thing. You can't believe. I'm receiving a sound. A lady is screaming in pain. But the surprising fact is, since the last 1.5 hour, I'm trying to. Actually, I'm looking for from where its sound is coming. Either it's coming from that side of the wall, from the neighbor house. Myself Hitesh Mandal, Twitter handle at the rate Hitesh1, and I am right now in my residence, A204 Chhatrapati Phase 1 Gully number 5, New Delhi 110074 in India. Amazing thing is that as I noticed what I did, I just touched my ear to the neighbor's house wall. Let's see what happened. The sound is running around his house. But if I'm taking my ear, I'm trying to record the sound. I recorded a video, audio mode. I'll check it. If I touch my ear inside this wall, then the sound, if suppose is coming from air, it comes by this way or that way to my ear. Let's see. It's very interesting. As I start speaking, at this time, you had only two time. A sound is the location of sound, according to my uh, intelligence, is coming from that area here. But now we will keep quiet and listen because the time I was standing here and the sound was coming from that side of the wall, but there is an empty plot. Right now I am above the road level is near to 12 feet. How it could be possible? Listen, sound is on the roof. Yes. Again, I will visit to this area. See what happens. It's not possible. I can touch my microphone or mobile to the roof right now because its height is near about 11 feet. Now the sound is here. Last time I was standing there, that time I was recording only audio, and I tell her my name. Now this time, whatever whomsoever is there,
She's trying to speak my name. He takes. Listen, this is this is the uh, no, it's not a haunted. Yes, sound is very clear, and now the sound is traveling to the roof. Let's go to the roof. See what happens. Because there is dark. It is dark on a roof because there is no light and no bulb. First, we will try to listen the sound from here. Yes, I can hear the sound. It's travel to the roof. I don't know whether it's will able to record in the Wi phone or not. But yes, it's travel to the roof. I told you the real Islamic world lives inside the wall. I remembered my thesis. It's a sound is like a woman is having a pregnancy pain. I have a point in my hand. I will show you. In my left hand, there is a cut. It means ever a woman will face a pregnancy, labor pain, it automatically start blinking. This is my take. Now, first we go travel to the roof and try to hear the voice near to the gate. The roof. See what happens. The sound is traveled to the ground floor now. Yes, and I'm at my rooftop. Do you hear the sound? We will open the gate now. The sound is still, I can hear the sound. It's traveling building. Now the sound is travel to that upper area of my neighbor's house. It's traveling inside the building or inside the wall. I didn't able to see any object which is moving without any help apart from me. There's a sound. Okay. I don't know whether it's my illusion or what, but I suddenly I watched a black shadow near to my neighbor's house, top floor. See, earlier time also I watched this kind of amazing thing inside my house. This is Universal Studios. मतलब अगर ये मान के चले, if I believe it's like some kind of spiritual aura, supernatural power, but how it could be possible? It can be there after that much loud sound also. I'm speaking continuously and the sound is still coming. A woman is screaming in a pain. Now I'll travel to the ground floor. I'll wait there and try to listen the sound. No sound. Sometimes uh, maybe mm, illusion was created by my eyes. Whatever I said about the shadow near to my neighbor's house, first floor. But yes, it's true. But why should is I am listening the same? If I'm able to record this audio of that screaming sound, it means other persons are also listening this. But I think so. No, it's not possible. Even not it's in a supernatural, but it's a surrounding. Suddenly, I noticed that that the sound traveled to the sky and traveled to far away from our building area to in the sky, which is around half a kilometer. Then again it came back. Let's see what happens.
ISIS. When I said that ISIS, real ISI, what is the meaning of real ISIS? It lives, Islamic State, it lives inside the wall. Amitabh Bachchan movie Diwar. I'm not saying that Amitabh Bachchan is responsible to create Diwar, but somehow someone is behind who gave him an idea to be inside the ISIS and create the movie Diwar. अब सोचने वाली बात यह है ISIS, Islamic State of Iraq and Syria, I created International Secret Intelligence Service. ISIS. Once what I give you full information. It's a between yes and between no. A situation. Kabhi haan, kabhi na. The movie created by Amir Khan. Shayad. The point between kabhi haan, kabhi na is real Islamic world. मतलब आप सोए हैं और आप नहीं सोए हैं. The situation, dead or live, half dead, is a condition. Only that time you can travel to the Islamic world. Welcome to the JSR Securities. How it could be possible? Drink? No, not possible. Whenever you try to sleep, within a first half and a minute, suddenly you watch something. That is Islamic world, or that is a Swarg. That is a real-time machine. When a person is able to walk through the wall, Asuras look. But only in to be we carry a human body which I can touch, I can feel the sensations. It's not possible to walk through the wall. Sometime you find out the filters inside the movie. Yes. एक बार क्या हुआ? This is my real experience. I was in the mood to sleep and I just took a support of a wall in my upper room. And as I went in sleep, I received a push back from the wall. Not that much forcefully. Suddenly I woke up. What happened? And what I received the voice? अब उधर बैठे ना हैं? हमें कहा यार ऐसे बोलूंगा लोग कहेंगे ये क्या सोच रहा है ये? Yes, it means the Muslims, Islams, Asuras, they came to here in our world from the walls. What is parallel world? This is the parallel world. घर के अंदर घर है. As we create, मुकेश के साथ मुकेश, हितेश के साथ हितेश, मतलब एक मुकेश है एक हितेश है, एक दिखता एक नहीं दिखता. And how we can switch? Suddenly a person will travel to that person which is invisible. Then the visible became invisible and the invisible became visible. I will try again to listen the voice. मजा आएगा.
बहुत अच्छा अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है. दिस इज ब्रह्मांड विजय. ब्रह्मांड विजय पूजा के अंदर तीनों लोकों में पूजा, 3 लोक, त्रिलोक, त्रिलोकाधिपति जो तीनों लोकों पर आधिपत्य रखता है. फर्स्ट लोक तो ये हो गया. देन सेकंड लोक इज व्हेन यू ट्रैवल फ्रॉम द वॉल. नाउ इज टू Amitabh Bachchan. What is possible? How to kill? As you try to kill someone, then that invisible power comes in a power and took away that person. I received a verse that it's not easy to kill anyone. मरने के बाद व्यक्ति मरता नहीं है. वो उठा करके जो बीमार होता है उसको लेके चले जाते हैं, और जो सही होता है उसको वहां छोड़ देता है. Within a second, fraction of second. This is the reality. Yes. ये एक ऐसी चीज है जिसको सोचने समझने के बाद जो है ना, लगता है यार है भाई, मानना पड़ेगा. देखते हैं. और एक बात बताऊं, मैंने एक एक्सपीरियंस लिया. मैंने अपने वॉल्स पे कुछ चीजें लिखी, सडनली चीजें चेंज हुई. मैंने पतली प्लास्टिक की लेयर लगा दी, ट्रांसपेरेंट. इफ एनी पावर is coming from the wall, because it's not a soil. पंच तत्व में से नहीं है प्लास्टिक पंच तत्व नहीं है. If someone, an invisible power, will try to travel from the plastic, उसका निशान पड़ जाएगा. वो छुपी हुई शक्तियां आपको लाती ले जाती हैं, पर कैसे? वो ऑफ वर्ल्ड है हमारे हिसाब से, ये ऑन वर्ल्ड है. ऑफ वर्ल्ड में हितेश का सब कुछ है, ऑन वर्ल्ड के अंदर पावर है, सब कुछ है, बट नथिंग इज हियर. बट द रियलिटी इज अ नोटबंदी. बट द रियलिटी इज नरेंद्र मोदी इज ऑर्डर टू किल बराक हुसैन ओबामा. इज द रियलिटी. यू हैव टू बिलीव इट. मे बी पॉसिबल माई बैट नंबर्स आर फेक, but the related to the reality with the Narendra Damodar Das Modi is 100% true. ऐसा पॉसिबल है? हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. क्यों? या नहीं हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता है. भाई है, मैंने सुना. देखते हैं.